Hi, I'm Shimon with LeichtUSA South Coast Plaza. Today I'm in Corona del Mar. I'm gonna meet Hannah here to see an amazing project we did. Come, let's see it together. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Chiron, welcome in. I'm so excited to show you this project and all the little details we've done.
Well, I can't wait. You know, we started this project in 2023 and we put so much love and attention to this project. So I can't wait to start and explore it.
Let's start. So Shimon, tell me, what was the process like from the moment that the client stepped into our showroom?
So we worked here with architects and designer, and we formed the shape of this kitchen to have the same language as the whole house. We use only 3 materials here. As you can see, we use the walnut, we use the classic FS in white, and we use the Alluro, which is the aluminum in bronze tone.
And I noticed there's 2 faucets in the same sink. Tell me about that.
So we have here 1 sink in the size of 2. We have a 60-inch sink with 2 faucets. And the sink also has an integration of accessories that you can put here. You can put your drying and you can put your cutting board.
That's so nice. Very easy, very clean. All of the ovens are perfectly aligned. Wow.
We used here the Gaggenau system to design everything in 1 square, the Gaggenau Quadro, where we designed the steam oven, the coffee machine, and the oven together.
Is this a pantry?
No, so this is their secret. The family loves tea. And what we did here, we did their tea cabinet where they can have all their tea collection and they can use it when they entertain.
So much storage. I love all the drawers and everything is so organized.
So here we designed the office on the 2nd floor facing the ocean, and we did here some storage for their Labubu collections.
And here, did we do panels?
No, it's actually drawers. We can have here all your office needs.
So we've seen the kitchen, we've seen the office. What's next?
Now we're gonna see every woman's dream, the closet, the master closet. Now, isn't that wow?
Wow. For this closet, we designed it with MisuraEmme. And for the finishes, we did a bronze dark metal finish. And we combined that with a tinted bronze mirror glass door. And since it's a modular system, we had the flexibility of having visibility and enclosed. And for the enclosed, we used a dark tobacco finish.
So what do you think?
I love it. I love how everything feels so built in. It just really grabs the architecture and it's beautiful.
The architecture is our name. We are LeichtUSA, the architectural kitchen. Come see us at LeichtUSA South Coast Plaza. And now I'm going to the beach.
Oh, let me come with.